today. So I have to go for okay, hold on. This is for the kitchen. Kitchen.
1-4 is ready. Please come to receive.
Yeah, this is the present. Ready on the number and then put it up. So the system will send. You will see that. On the server, we can call them.
Customer with number 1. Please come to get your table.
So we can call them, or we can send them the message. We can send them when you see the table, so they automatically get the ping. Okay, so right now you just choose the table for the customer. Just go to this, you choose that for table, but they automatically, so bring the name and number into the system. Make order, you click on that, you pick an option. You can pick any kind of option. You make it add it up, so you place an order. Right? If that's so they automatically bring into the printer. So you can add up a payment right here. Add up the pay by terminal. So if your terminal no work, so I can send to the billing. Okay. If the flag in and so look like they send 18 tip hours. So this because this is a test. And the signature they done. So this step will be with this step will be cancelled. So I link print. So they will automatically print the receipt right here. Okay. Now for the pickup. So I say no, I need no table for the pickup. So they call in. So you can add them. If on call, you can add them phone number or the number of the guest. So click OK. So you click on replace order. So you create an order. The kitchen has to be cooked. So when they cook it, and they can bring it too. Okay, if they say they cook it, if they cook it, you will see it over there. So they will display right away.
2 is ready. Please come to receive.
The print logo. So that is the printer. Okay, if you want